What's the best party you've ever been to? Maybe you celebrated with fireworks for New Year's or sang karaoke at a birthday party. Everyone loves to celebrate milestones with those they love. And this summer at DSKids 1st to 5th grade, we're celebrating God and the good news that we find in Jesus, which gives us joy no matter what. We'll spend the summer talking about this joy, which comes from celebrating what God has done and continues to do in our lives. We'll look into the Bible and see how God has been at work since the beginning and show how He continues to work in our life today. We'll also memorize Proverbs 17:22. A cheerful heart makes you healthy, but a broken spirit dries you up. God designed us to be energized by joy, giving us the fuel to keep going. Our goal is to help our kids discover how to live with that joy. And we'll kick off the summer with Jesus' parable of the lost sheep in Luke 15. The shepherd searches for the lost sheep and upon finding it throws a party. This reflects the joy that we have because God loves us and sent Jesus to rescue us. For the rest of the month of June, we'll explore how joy has always been a part of God's plan. Going back into the Old Testament, Deuteronomy 16, God created laws for His people to joyfully have celebrations like the Feast of Booths. In order to remember God's goodness, these festivals are reminders to be joyful. Bottom line, make a habit of choosing joy. Then we'll look at Ezra chapter 3, where God's people celebrated joyfully even after captivity. God's people had been living as captives in the Persian Empire, and many had never seen the homeland of Judah. God moved the heart of the new Persian king named Cyrus to favor the Jewish people and allow many to return home. However, when they arrived, they found no place to worship God. Rebuilding the temple, city walls, and all of Jerusalem, it felt overwhelming. Yet, when they built the foundation of the temple, they chose to pause and throw a giant party to worship God. We can do the same. Bottom line, celebrate each step of the way. In week 4, we'll explore the joy in the Psalms by examining David's Psalms 8, 16, and 19. David notices the world that God created and finds glimpses of God's goodness and care. Even through tough times, reasons for joy might be more available than we think. Bottom line, find joy in what you see around you. We end June with a DSKids online experience from the prophet Habakkuk. In Habakkuk chapter 3, despite the threat of captivity, Habakkuk chooses to be glad because he trusts God is still working and will rescue them. God's goodness and care are always reasons for joy, even in difficult times. What can I celebrate today? That's what we're asking. The bottom line is there's always reason to celebrate. That wraps up June, but we'll continue to discuss joy in July. Remember, joy from God isn't tied to our circumstances. God's Spirit gives us the strength to choose joy despite what's happening. We believe this will be a powerful month as you lead kids and families to find true joy in their relationship with Jesus.